Now on the track, we have our 17 and 18-year-old young men 4x800 meter relay. Club national meet record 7:50.16, set way back in 2011. And wearing hip number 1 will be the Jackrabbit Track of Georgia. Hip 2, Chester Cheetahs. Hip 3, 813 Elite. Hip number 4, Plantation Heat. Hip 5, Purpose Driven of North Carolina. Hip 6, Endeavor Track and Field. Hip 7, Dream Team Puerto Rico. Hip number 8, Impact Speed Athletics. And hip number 9, the Black Hawks.
Let's go, Mike, to that third 200, buddy.
Officially 56 seconds.
Let's go!
56 for the first 400 with its opening carry, 17, 18-year-old men, 4x800 relay. Track number 5, that's Purpose Driven. 200 meters to go.
Come on, you gotta finish,
That's hit number 4, Plantation Heat. Tramping along, that's number 7, Dream Team Puerto Rico. Dream Team Puerto Rico is now charging to the front. Coming up to the first 16, there's Dream Team Puerto Rico, Plantation Heat, and Purpose Driven. 1:59.55, the Dream Team Puerto Rico, Plantation Heat, 2 minutes and 07 seconds, Purpose Driven, 2:01.32. And there we go down the backstretch in that order. Dream Team Puerto Rico now with some significant separation for the time being. Still plenty of track left in this race. Purpose Driven now moving into second, Plantation Heat going along for the ride in a close third. Above expectations now moving into fourth. Back up front is Dream Team Puerto Rico. 2:52 on the clock with 1 lap to go in this round.
Be smart.
Dream Team Puerto Rico, Purpose Driven now in second, trying to chip away at Dream Team Puerto Rico's lead. Plantation Heat sitting in third.
Gotta come home, gotta come home.
That's hit number 1, Jackrabbit Track of Georgia, moving from 5th to 3rd. The pack up front, still no change. Dream Team Puerto Rico.
Short.
3:56 on the clock. After 2 carries, Purpose Driven in second. Jackrabbit Track of Georgia in third. .357 flat for Dream Team Puerto Rico after 2 carries. That last leg, 1:57.45. Purpose Driven, North Carolina, 4:02.61 at halfway. 2:01.29 on that carry. Jackrabbit Track of Georgia, 4:04.07 after 2 carries, 2 minutes, 0.19 seconds. That second leg. As the count is going out to go on this one.
All right, Camille, let's go.
3:57 on the clock. Purpose Driven taking the lead. And continuing to charge hard. First at the back stretch. Getting a little bit of separation from their nearest competitor. That is Green Team Puerto Rico. All the while sitting in third and in play with Jackrabbit Track of Georgia. Gathering for his final 200-meter push as this still purpose driven.
Let's go, Camille.
With number 5, purpose driven, North Carolina Elite, coming up the home stretch. Green Team Puerto Rico. Jackrabbit Track of Georgia now moving into second. Green Team Puerto Rico racing in third.
Let's work, let's work, let's work, let's work.
On the clock after 3 times. 150 in that last round. Jackrabbit Track 607.64, 203.57. On that last carry, Green Team Puerto Rico 608.90 after 3 carries. Up front in the yellow over black kit, passing 200 meters. Lap and a half to go for purpose driven. 17 and 18-year-old young men, 4x800 meter relay. Jackrabbit Track of Georgia still in second. Green Team Puerto Rico in third, trying to close. Everyone is all eyes on the leaders. This is purpose driven. North Carolina coming up in third.
Let's go, Mari. Third 200. Let's go.
Purpose driven, North Carolina Elite Track Club with 300 meters to go. Jackrabbit Track of Georgia still in play. Green Team Puerto Rico in third, above expectations there in fourth, charging hard. Plantation Heat in fifth. As they all go down the back stretch, purpose driven now. Less than half a lap to go. 150 out from the line.
Come on, Nari, you got to finish.
Still working hard. As they hit the stretch, purpose driven. Open their way to the line.
Don't you look back.
And it will be purpose driven. And this is 802. 803.44 for purpose driven.